हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू आवर सेकंड एपिसोड ऑफ लाइफ विद सुनंदा एंड संदीप। आज का एपिसोड है हमारी डेली ऑफिस रूटीन पर। हाउ वी गेट रेडी, हाउ वी लिव फॉर वर्क एंड फाइनली हाउ वी एंड आवर डे। So this is how Sandeep gets ready for office. He always keeps things very organized. ये उसकी nature में ही है. As you can see, he's getting ready calmly without any rush. सबसे पहले he makes sure he is well groomed. अपनी दाढ़ी वाड़ी properly set कर लेगा. Hair neatly done, everything in place. He really believes that when you look sorted, your day automatically starts better. And yes, his hair is quite long. This is something he has wanted for many years now. Since he moved to the UK, he decided not to cut his hair. It was a promise he made to himself. इस बार जब मैं वहाँ गई थी we trimmed it just a little, बस थोड़ा सा. But otherwise, this long hair means a lot to him. Now, this is his room. When I went to the UK, he shifted here and I helped him organize the entire space for him. I wanted things to be easy for him, especially because he manages everything alone. He really appreciated it, and honestly, I came back feeling like I had done my little bit of wife duties. I really felt good that I was able to help him out. Now, as you can see, he's wearing his shoes. Even this looks very organized and sorted. Nothing hurried, everything at its place. After that, he heads downstairs because his room is on the first floor, so he has to come down to get out of the house. He usually steps out at around 8 a.m. in the morning, right on time, as always. He's headed towards the bus station. One good thing about this place is that the bus stop is very close, just a 2 to 3 minute walk from home. That's exactly why he chose this place. We usually do this video calls when he moves out of his home. That how his nearby area looks like for today until his bus arrives. You can see on the screen it shows that when the bus is arriving how many minutes are left. It's a bit like the metro display in Delhi. This is his bus, and one thing I really loved in the UK, people always greet each other. Such a small thing, but it feels really nice. And there he goes off to work. Now, coming to my routine, since I work in an MNC, my office follows the US time zone. So, technically, my shift starts in the evening. My work day usually begins around 5 p.m. Because of that, my day also flows a little different. At the time you are seeing this, it's around 3 to 3:30 in the afternoon, and that's when I start getting ready. As you can see, everything was a little spread out at first, so I quickly organized things. I like starting my day with a clean space. It just clears my mind. Then I decided what to wear. This outfit is something I bought online. I usually prefer online shopping because I like taking my time, looking at things properly, and then ordering peacefully. After that, I started getting ready. I used the Body Shop cream because I have a sensitive skin and not many cream suits me. This one works really well for me. The day I felt like doing something different, so I thought, चलो आज eyeliner लगा लेते हैं. Usually I don't wear eyeliner in the office. I like to keep things very simple, but since I was recording this video, I felt like adding just a little touch. I also applied a bit of blush. Earlier, I never used blush, but after my wedding, when the makeup artist applied it, I really realized how fresh it makes the face look. Since then, it has become a small part of my routine. For fragrance, I use the Nika body mist. I really like it. It feels light and refreshing. Now, as you can see, I'm all ready and giving few poses for the camera. After that, I had to decide my footwear. I chose this white sandals because they were real going perfectly with my outfit. By this time, it's almost 3:30 to 4 p.m. and I started waiting for my cab. I go to office by company cab, which I am honestly very thankful for. The day That day, the cab call was a little late, so while waiting, I decided to spend some time with my mom. I did her nail filing and applied nail polish. She always asked me to do it, and I really enjoy the small moments with her. Then I noticed that even my own nail polish had chipped. So I quickly fixed that too. And just then, my cab call finally came. After that, I headed towards office, lived a short walk, and let me show you where my cab was waiting. This is my cab ready to take me work, and that's how my evening shift workday begins. Now it's night time. My work is finally done and it's around 1:30 in the night. Can you also see the fog around? This is the condition in Delhi. I'm heading back home. Honestly, I was wondering सुबह जैसे fresh लग रही थी, क्या वैसे ही लग रही हूँ वापस आते हुए? I hope so. As soon as I reach, you will see that how Frisky keeps waiting for me. She always waits for me, and when she gets to know that I am heading towards home, after settling down, the first thing I do is call Sandeep. This has been our routine for years now. No matter how tired we are, we always make time to talk. We usually ask each other simple things. आज ऑफिस कैसा था, लंच टाइम पे क्या खाना खाया, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ क्या, कुछ गॉसिप बताओ. Sometimes we talk about work, sometimes about some random things, and sometimes about nothing important at all. मैं उसको बताती हूँ कि मेरे दिन कैसे गए और वो मुझे बताता है उसके ऑफिस में क्या हुआ. We share everything, good days, stressful days, even those days when you are just tired for no reason. By the time we are done, नींद already आ रही होती है and we are just talking. क्या प्लान है, वीकेंड का क्या सोचा है, आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा थक गए ना. That's our quiet time, no rush, no pressure, just us ending the day together even when we are miles apart. I know it looks hectic from outside, but we have been living like this for almost 1.5 2 years now. It has become normal for us, and honestly, thank God for video calls. Earlier, things were much more difficult. Before sleeping, I even showed him the photos I took that day and teased him a little. देखो तुम्हारी बीवी कितनी अच्छी photos लेती है. So, this is how our day went. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.